plants growing on and around its three super trees. Look left into the distance ahead and you will notice another three super trees. Can you see a spout on top of one of them? Super trees have many functions, one of which is to expel hot air from the conservatories. We will visit the Marina Reservoir and two lakes surround Bay South, providing irrigation for plants and a cool respite for visitors. The reed bed to your right acts as a natural eco-filter to cleanse that occupy a special place in the history and culture of Singapore's main ethnic groups. The banyan tree, also called the Bengal fig. With its tangle of roots and branches, the banyan symbolizes eternal life for Hindus. Plants, and especially trees, have huge cultural and religious significance for the Indians. And the wall welcomes you into the Chinese garden. This is called a moon gate, a feature found in traditional Chinese gardens, a reduction of the natural environment. That's why features like ponds and boulders are common in classical Chinese gardens. A rock represents a mountain, and water stands for river. You are entering the Malay Gardens. The timber structure coming up on the right is an example of a traditional village residence known as a kampong house. There are many food plants here used by the Malays, such as lemongrass and the breadfruit tree on your right. Check out the mighty super trees on your left. You'll see the 22-meter-high OCBC Skyway suspended from the taller super trees. This aerial walkway offers a panoramic view of Bay South and the surrounding Marina Bay area. Vertical gardens
ang sarap hindi umuwi. Kasi nakakaputi dito. Ilang araw lang pumuti na ako dito. So ayun, dito na ako sa airport. Maya-maya ay mag-check-in na kami. Actually, mabuti ay maaga ang punta ko dito sa airport. Kasi kung hindi, naku talaga. Yun pala, yung ticket ko is dapat kaninang madaling araw. Kanina, 12. So, ayun tuloy. Hindi na nagamit yung ticket. So, ang nangyari, pinabook naman uli. Kaka-claim lang namin ng yung tax refund. Galing sa pinambili namin sa mall. Tapos, yun ang pinambili namin sa then, ang atin na magre-refund sila ng tax sa mga tourist. So ito, first time ko lang dito na first time ko naranasan dito sa Singapore na mag-refund sila ng tax sa mga tourists. So kung kayo mag-travel kayo, you have to know your rights. So dapat tanungin niyo agad sila kapag nag-shopping kayo kasi yung maximum na dapat i-refund kayo is 100 Singapore dollars. So, kung bago kayo mag-travel guys, pwede rin ninyo i-download ang Shop Tax Free apps. So, meron sila sa Google Play or sa App Store.